welcome back to the channel, car lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a high-performance beast that fuses track-ready power with street-smart sophistication. Whether you're a die-hard Corvette fan or a future buyer on the hunt for your next thrill ride, this in-depth review will leave no carbon fiber unturned. Let's break down everything from its sleek exterior to its cutting-edge powertrain and everything in between. Body panels. Right off the bat, the 2026 ZR1 demands attention with its aggressive, wind-slicing bodywork. Constructed predominantly from lightweight carbon fiber, these panels are sculpted to reduce weight and enhance aerodynamics. Every curve and crease is designed for maximum downforce and minimal drag. The rear diffuser, extended side skirts, and vented hood aren't just for looks, they channel airflow to keep the car planted at high speeds. The ZR1's widened stance also screams performance, giving it a muscular, road-hugging profile that's as functional as it is fierce. Headlights. Up front, the sleek LED matrix headlights aren't just high-tech, they're practically futuristic. These adaptive lights intelligently adjust brightness and beam pattern based on traffic conditions, curves, and speed, ensuring optimal visibility whether you're cruising at night or tearing up the track. The sharp, angular design of the housing blends seamlessly into the fender flares, giving the front fascia a menacing yet refined look. Taillights. At the rear, the signature C-shaped LED taillights return with a sharper edge. They're more streamlined and now include an animated startup sequence, giving a dramatic visual punch every time you unlock the car. Integrated into the rear are quad titanium exhaust tips and a functional aerodynamic rear spoiler that not only looks good but also increases high-speed stability. Grille. The ZR1's front grille is wider, bolder, and more functional than ever before. With active aero shutters and deeper air intakes, it maximizes cooling for both the engine and front brakes. The blacked-out mesh design and carbon trim accentuate the car's performance DNA, while also giving the front end a snarling, race-ready face. Seats. Inside, the ZR1 blends race-inspired design with everyday comfort. The GT2 sport seats, wrapped in Alcantara and perforated Nappa leather, come with 16-way power adjustability, heating, ventilation, and memory functions. These seats hug you during hard cornering but remain comfortable enough for long-distance highway drives. Carbon fiber seatbacks add an extra performance touch and reduce weight. Dashboard. The driver-centric dashboard is a masterpiece of design and function. Every element is angled toward the driver, wrapped in high-quality materials like stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and of course carbon fiber. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing everything from G-force readings to real-time engine performance stats. It's not just a dashboard, it's a cockpit. Infotainment system. Dominating the center console is an 11.5-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Chevrolet UX. It features wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated performance telemetry, navigation with real-time traffic, and a premium 14-speaker Bose sound system. The user interface is lightning fast, and voice commands make interacting with the system seamless even while driving at speed. Steering wheel. The flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped steering wheel is both functional and luxurious. With paddle shifters made from anodized aluminum and integrated haptic controls for media, voice, and cruise settings, this is a wheel built for both control and communication. It's also heated, because performance doesn't mean sacrificing comfort even on chilly morning drives. Engine. Now to the heart of the beast, the twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine, an evolution of the LT6 power plant from the Z06. This engine produces a mind-bending 850 horsepower and 825 pounds-to-feet of torque, making it the most powerful Corvette ever. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the ZR1 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, with a top speed north of 215 miles per hour. The exhaust note? Pure symphony. It's an American V8 with the soul of a supercar. Hybrid option. For the first time ever, Chevrolet offers a performance hybrid system as an optional upgrade. Dubbed the E-Ray Plus package, this setup includes an electric front axle powered by a lightweight battery pack. It adds an extra 160 horsepower, boosting torque and offering electric-only driving up to 45 miles per hour. But this isn't about saving gas, it's about enhancing launch control, grip, and torque vectoring. It's Corvette Performance A with an electric edge. Airbags. Safety doesn't take a backseat. The ZR1 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of 8 advanced airbags, including dual-stage front airbags, knee airbags, side curtain airbags, and seat-mounted side impact airbags. Each is designed to deploy with precision depending on impact angle and crash severity, giving you peace of mind whether you're on the road or the track. Parking assist. Despite its aggressive size and low stance, the ZR1 is surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to a suite of parking assist features. You get a 360-degree surround view camera, rear cross-traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, and a new auto park system that can handle parallel and perpendicular parking with minimal input. For a car this fast, it's shockingly smart. Price. All this performance doesn't come cheap, but it's a bargain compared to European rivals. The 2026 Corvette ZR1 starts at $145,000, with the hybrid E-Ray Plus package pushing it closer to $165,000. Considering what you're getting, a supercar performance, luxury interior, cutting-edge tech, it's one of the most compelling value propositions in the high-performance market today. And that wraps up our deep dive into the jaw-dropping 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Whether you're here for the looks, the power, or the cutting-edge tech, this is a car that refuses to compromise. Let me know in the comments, would you take the ZR1 over a European rival? And if you loved this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another performance car review. Until next time, keep your foot down and your eyes on the road. Catch you in the next video.